Welcome to Kailh Master. I'm Arvid, product lead at Peripherals, and I'm going to show you the MK770 keyboard. The unique feature with the MK770 is its gasket structure. And starting with the top plate, which is in plastic in comparison to our other keyboards, which is metal. The reason is that when you bottom out the keycaps, you will not have that metallic noise. The plastic mounting plate is also suspended within the assembly with 12 silicone caps, minimizing any vibration that is caused by typing. Each of the key switches, they are pre-lubricated from factory, as well as its stabilizers. Stabilizers are also Kailh Master designed to minimize any vibration and noise. Lastly, I will show you the bottom silicone dampener, which helps to reduce the noise even further. Kailh Master's MK770 enthusiast grade keyboard will be available in Q3 2023. Be sure to get it. See you next time.